It's a Sunday morning, which means it's market morning in Bordeaux. They have one of the best food markets in the area. So I thought I'd come and show you what they have for sale. I'm anticipating there's definitely going to be some oysters from the coast, and I'm curious to see what other goodies we'll have today. I have to say that having access to a city like Bordeaux, and in particular the food market there every weekend, is one of the things that I cherish the most, because every now and then you just need to get into that big city. I just find the selection at the Bordeaux food market to be so impressive, always. I sort of have my head set on doing something with shellfish, so I was thinking I would do for you today one of my absolute favorites. It's mussels in a curry cream sauce. The mussels are pretty much prepared in the very traditional sort of white wine style that you see when you travel to France. They call it moules frites. I'm sure many of you have tried them. They're absolutely delicious. But what I do is a slight twist. So I cook it in some white wine. You have, of course, the shallots, the garlic, all that good stuff. Add the cream also once the mussels have been cooked. But then I add a little touch of curry powder. Nothing, too complicated. I'm not going crazy with a whole bunch of different spices. Just your basic curry powder that you can buy at the supermarket. Add in a touch of that. It adds an incredible twist on the flavor to these, what are otherwise very traditional white wine and cream sauce mussels. How easy is that? Seriously. I know a lot of people haven't prepared mussels. They feel like it's kind of one of those complicated things that you sort of order at a restaurant but you don't do at home. But I'm begging you, if you can get some fresh mussels from your market, go for it. Give this one a try. Only thing you have to be aware of is making sure you give them a really good clean before you start cooking with them. You want to discard any with broken shells or any that don't close. Once you've done that, you're good to go. And you can see, not that many ingredients and such a delicious and fun dish to have with a big group of people. I love just taking the pot, putting it down on the table, and we all just help ourselves. I hope this has inspired you to give perhaps mussels a try. And until next time, happy cooking.